Okay, this is from her best friend man in Australia, Rosana Abalayan Faye. In request, I might go to read this. Okay. A best friend is a gift from God. I never thought it hurt so much until I received a message that Nem's gone. It breaks my heart, but then I know she's in good hands now. No more suffering, and she's home with our dearest creator. I know Nem since we were in high school, but we became closer and best friends after college. She used to pick me up from the airport whenever I go home from overseas. Makibot na lang na si nanay kag tatay, nagabot na ko upod si Nemya. Kag si Nemya man na dadulong sa akon pagbalik sa airport. Talagsa lang ko, gapuni, but whenever I go home, Nems is always there. Nems I think, is the only friend who knows my favorite fruit. One time, she gave me a very big, very sweet yellow langka. I ate it the whole day. Breakfast, snacks, lunch, merienda, and dinner. Lucky, I did not get indigestion. Grabe, natawa niya sa akin. She couldn't believe I did not eat anything except langka na ginatag niya. Every time she sees langka, she thought of me. Whenever I'm home, she comes to visit almost every day. May dala na siya usually pansit, langka, or inasal. We usually stroll in Panaan for fresh air. On weekends, we usually buy buko, langka, and eat lunch and dinner together. We're like lovers, inseparable. I never felt so loved and cared. A friend who will do anything for you. One time, hagad ko siya, jogging. She didn't say no, but she was not wearing tennis shoes. Then I noticed why she was so slow. She never told me bao ambot nga niya. She got blisters on her foot, pero wala siya gareklamo. I felt so bad. Di nga, wala ka gidnems na gareklamo kao. So we just walked slowly until a tricycle passed by. One time, hagad ko siya swimming. Dira man lang sa panaad, wala siya nag-swimming. Tanaw lang siya sa akon, kag maghihong-hihong. Pagtakas ko, dasig siya, maglaho sa akong towel. Wala ko yan, Nems na huya, magtupis it's part of my job. Kaya sanay na ako. That's when, sorry. Wala na ko yan next na kuya magtupis Oh, gabi siya. Sorry na. That's when I observed how sweet Nanya was. Iba na friends, hindi na magdahog sa towel mo. They just let you pick up your own towel. Sometimes during Saturdays, hagad yapo na kadto sa office niya. She introduced me to her friends and her office mates. Then afterwards, makadto kami sa downtown, kaon sa Chowking, halo-halo or Jollibee, kag maglagaw-lagaw or di kaya mag-play na siya bingo. Our favorite place is Panaan. Ogdan ko man na siya, pakuha sang skin tags niya. Pero nilang kami galagaw nga duwa sa Panaan. One time, we celebrated our birthdays together. Her birthday's on the 8th of February and mine's on the 9th. We had fun with friends. We laughed and we chatted and chatted. Her friends loved her. Pero nilang kami tabigay nga duwa ni Nenya to the extent nga ginchismis ako kay gabi na ina siya na halin sa balay. Tinulo ko na siya sa bangga kang magbantay kami tricycle. Nenya is like a sister to me. So protective and very caring. Pag nagmuno ko na Nems, namit kaon halo-halo, manghagad na siya dayon, kadutaro sa damutang. Tapos hagad ako na sa binguan, kaya na namin na siya mag-play bingo, paborito gawin na. Nenya is the best friend ever. Grupo kami na Clopez, Zoraida, and Remedy. Used to have Willa too, and Myrna. Nenya has a very close relationship with each one of us. I cannot really express in words how much Nenya means to me. She's more than a friend. She's my best friend forever. She has inspired me to think positive in life. She's my confidant. I admire Nem so much. Do you know, she makes the best buko salad in the whole world. She brought me the yummiest Valenciana too, though she told me she was not the one who cooked it. One time I called her so proud. One time I called her so proud I cooked the Valenciana, and she laughed out. Ay, man. One time I called her so proud, I cooked the Valenciana, and she laughed out loud when I told her I put coconut milk. Ang balinem niya, tangi, wala na iya ginabutangan sa gata ang Valenciana. And we both laughed out loud. And I also told her about the ingredients of her fruit punch that I really love. A best friend is someone who knows all about you and still loves you, and that friend is Nenya Camacho. My best friend forever. Nems, even death could not steal our beautiful memories. Our journeys shared and cherished forever. I will miss you, Nems. You are truly a beautiful soul. I will miss you, Nems. You are truly a beautiful soul. I love you and God bless. Rest in peace, my dearest friend. That's from Rosana Abalayan Faye.